Jill, in relation to the hand, what's the discomfort level? If 10 is the worst scenario, what would you put it at?
Right now, it's at about a 4.
4. Okay. You're happy to allow that discomfort to be eliminated, yeah?
Oh, please, yes.
Okay. So I want you to say, I give myself permission to allow this to eliminate and delete.
I give myself permission to allow this discomfort to abate, to delete, eliminate.
So your body wants this deck 4.
The new deck?
I've lots of news for you. Deck 4 is the one that I call the fifth dimension, and I haven't actually printed it yet. It's there a long time, but it's ready to go. So, Jill, out of 1 to 100, give me a number.
79.
79. Okay. Let me share my screen with you so you can actually see what I'm doing.
Fifth Dimension is my favorite singing group, by the way.
This is my deck. It's called the fifth dimension, and I'm going to go to 79, which is this one here. This is a painting I did well, I don't know when I did it, but you can see it's an Irish scene, an Irish cottage scene. Okay. I called it the River of Opportunity. It says, your river of opportunity is constantly flowing. It is up to you to recognize its current, seize the moment, and navigate your way to success. This offers you endless possibilities. When you stay open and prepared, you can ride its waves to achieve your dreams. Dipping into your river of opportunity requires courage and action, for it is in those daring steps that you find growth, success, and fulfillment. And the frequency number, Jill, I'm sure, have you been able to write it down?
I have it.
Good. To tap in the number 844-444-334. And each time you tap that in, that discomfort is going to do what you asked it to do, to eliminate, abate, and delete. I'm going to stop sharing now. Is there another number that you'd like? What is it down to now, Jill?
It's 1 to 2 right now.
1 to 2. So we just go for another number and just bring it down to 0, because it'd be nice to get it down to 0, wouldn't it? Okay.
Can you send me a screenshot of that card? Is that allowed? I don't know what your licensing requirements are. I'm a very visual person, so having that in front of me is a good thing.
I'm not great on screenshots, so I'll just go the old-fashioned way.
Thank you.
And hi, Ruth. We're just in the middle of helping Jill to bring down her discomfort level. I'm sharing my screen so that I'm just helping Jill to get out of discomfort before we start.
Okay, all right. I just want to make sure.
Just give me a second. So, Jill, another number, please.
19.
19. Everlasting love. Okay, so this is the image. And the everlasting love is the foundation of true fulfillment. Everlasting love is a constant source of strength and inspiration that fuels your journey through life's challenges and triumphs. To experience everlasting love, you love yourself first before loving others. Then this powerful energy can radiate outward to impact all of your relationships positively. Everlasting love is built on trust, commitment, and genuine care, creating a bond that withstands the test of time and enriches your life immeasurably. So the frequency is, as you see there, 3433-923. So if you tap that in, and then let's see how that goes for you. That should give you some comfort now, Jill, to help. So while you're doing that, Jill, Judy, what's your intention for today's
Peace.
peace? You know, the peace starts with yourself, peace within yourself.
Yep.
Ruth, what's your intention for today?
I don't know. I'm a little bit befuddled. I didn't have a very good night's rest. My energy is not quite there. It's not. Let me just try to even figure out this new sign in or dial in.
But you're already in.
Jill, what's your intention for today?
My intention today is to make it through the day, or make it through the morning at least.
What about how you'd like to feel, Ruth? How would you like to feel more content and at ease? Because you are going to make it through the day. How would you like to make it through the day?
Focus.
Okay. And what do you need to focus on?
For the task at hand,
Okay. And Jill, what is yours? How's that feeling now, Jill? Is that feeling a bit better?
And the pain is down to 0.5. It's just a little annoyance and it feels warm. Warm is a healing feeling for me.
Yeah.
Me too.
It'll be nice now to, we'll evaluate at the end. Okay, so we all have our intentions. We've all said everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just make a connection. And this is what I do every day before I do my cards for myself. I make this connection and I call it my pure connection of magic moments of mastery and momentum. Okay. And I'm doing it on behalf of everybody here. So I am connected to the wisdom of all ages and the universe, and I trust my deep, sacred guidance, intuition, inspiration, and myself truly and entirely. I embrace all the healing that comes through me and to me in harmony and balance. I tune into all the frequencies of life as pure automatic abundance flows through me, as do the rivers flow endlessly to the sea. I give myself permission to do an amazing job with everybody here present today. And I expand my energy field as my power expands even more, and my energy flows in alignment, in vibration, and connection with my soul energy and the universe. I stand in my power as I empower others, and when I conceive it and see it, the universe can create it, and so be it.
So be it.
So be it. So we're all ready to go. We're going ready to
Yes.
rock and roll. Okay. So you have your paints ready. As before, if it's appropriate, if you're able to drop your laptop lid down so I can get an idea or see as you're painting, that would be great. It helps me to hold the energy of the group while we're doing that. And while you're starting, I'm going to take a screening. Oh, that's lovely. I'm going to take a screening of your vitality as well, everybody's vitality, at the beginning and at the end.
Marian, for some reason,
Not to worry, Judy.
Okay.
If you can't, don't worry about it, because I just want you to enjoy the process and not be worrying.
this is what I'm using, Marian. It has a little sponge at the end.
Oh, lovely.
And
Where'd
it's
you get
just some old paint that I'm trying to use up.
Lovely.
We'll see what happens with